Good morning, guys. See, look, guys. The big boat, guys. Today I'm here again in the micro beach, guys. Today is Saturday. Happy Saturday, guys. I preparing my rod and reel, guys. But by the way, guys, before I start fishing, guys, look at first the big cargo ship. Guys, this cargo ship different another last 3 months ago. Remember that one? The one cargo ship going outside in Saipan also, guys. But this time, see, guys, I try to make it close this one. See, big, see, and that one is the managa, guys, and this is my potter, guys. At least, see, look, but I think that inside, guys, drop that item, drop in items in Saipan, guys, like especially the new car. Maybe inside he drop already car of the Toyota Micron and Nissan duty motor, guys, Nissan. By the way, guys, if you have time and you like to buy something about the car, can you visit my friend in Nissan Motor, si Mr. G. Gabriel, guys. Don't looking somebody, only si J. Gabriel in the duty motor, guys. The Hopkin, I think. Hopkin or duty motor, guys. Right? If you want to brand new car, guys, you check my friend, si J. Gabriel, guys. Woohoo! But look at first guy, guys. At least, see, big, very big that one, guy. Make it close if you like, guys. There, what you like. She's big, man. Right? See? Look, it's small. Alright, this is, guys. At least, naka-starting tayo sa ating intro in the microbits. Alright, Papa Jerry, and look at the Managa, guys. It's the beautiful island in Saipan, and the boat is going outside. Right, continues to tie, guys. Catching or nothing catching, at least I have another video for everybody, guys. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys. First catching natin, guys. See? And we have 2 bikers. See, look. I think today is off, but for me, I already catching, guys. One big size, man. I thought nothing fish today, but this time at least I have already Mama Maputi, guys. Woohoo! First catch, Papa Jerry. Yeah. Alright, at least nothing zero. Right. By the way, guys, shout out to Ilocano handler I met today, guys. Got she's home already, and she have also good catching also. Shout out everybody. Alright, guys, first catch. It's good lang. I wish I going maybe like 3 or 4 already, okay. Alright, first catch. This is right. Look, guys. Another catching, guys. Look. Don't look. Puto na wala pa, guys. Sayang, guys. Oh, this. Stay there. Stay there, guys. Stay there. There. Big size. Oh. Alright, guys. Alright. Alright. Huh? Another catch again, guys. Good size si mama again, guys. See, I told you guys, I have two. Huh? See, look, another one I catching. Huh? See, there's a lot of people there. See, look, I first catch, right? See, still alive yan, guys. Huh? And this is another one, right? Continuous na natin, guys. Still good size. Right, let's go, Papa Joey. Yes. Guys, look, another one, guys. Sana hindi mawala, guys. Mabigat eh. Pero, ano yun? Ay, dito, guys. Laki, guys. See? Here. Here. Alright. Make it sure, Papa. See? Continuous si Papa Deer, guys. Continuous catching and continuous video, guys. Sorry that. I'm sorry, I always holding my cellphone, guys. Very hard to hold my cellphone. I don't have another extra, you know, that like equal pro. I don't know that one, guys. But at least I catching, guys. Continuous lang tayo, guys. You follow me to catch this fish and using only the bread, right? Let's go. Alright, guys. I'm done already. We have the fisherman there. We have the fisherman there. And a lot of fishermen in other side. So they happy Saturday. See? We have party in the beach, guys. It's a lot of car today. Right? By the way, guys, I'm done already because I want to go to PHI, guys. I want to take my medicine for my high blood and diabetes, you know. That's better before I not forgot. I want to go there first before I tell book, guys. So today is Saturday time. I know this Saturday is half day or when 6 o'clock. By the way, guys, this is my catch today. Alright, only 3 fishes, but for me it's good already, guys. The good size, man. Right? At least I have a good size. And by the way, also I met si Mr. Ilocano handler, guys. Oh, si catching good also, guys. Alright, this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, Papa. Right? Papa in the land and Mama in the beach, guys. I want to go now in the PHI pharmacy, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you, guys.